Hey guys, it's Short,
And Stout here.
and this is our beautiful Airbnb that we rented for my 40th birthday celebration in Dominican Republic. These are the beautiful doors that lead to the outside in our living room where we hung out and watched movies.
Yeah. This is our little kitchen area, our dining room, I guess that you would say. Dining room table. And this kitchen was in here. Cute little setup.
Provided little cups and stuff for us to use, like most Airbnbs. Then, if you actually step outside through the door, excuse me, it's a little clunky. Oh, there we go. We had some outdoor seating area. Yes, honey. Living gardens. I was loving it.
Yes, very lush.
I mean, this place was really inexpensive and gorgeous. I mean, you feel like you're transported into another time. I felt like I was in Italy somewhere. And I'm just walking you now through the gardens outside of our little condo.
Yes.
Little water feature. Yes. This is all in the walls of the complex. So it was all guarded and protected by these walls.
Security.
That was like actually the back exit. I didn't go all the way, but really, really beautiful. And even the best feature is coming up. One step down. And we go straight ahead. That's actually the entrance. And to our left is the
Swimming pool.
Ooh, yes. It's gorgeous. It was pretty private too. We never
we never had to use the swimming pool with anybody else.
Yeah, we never had to share it. I was out there reading my book. Andy was out sunbathing. You can make drinks out here. They had a little
fridge and stuff.
We would bring out our radio and play some light music. Now this is heading towards the front of the entrance of the establishment. The complex, yeah. We had a little like watchyman, what they call it in DR, that sits right there with video cameras, so you can keep an eye out for the place. And then this is the front.
But you can tell like it's not crowded. It's not like you're sharing it with a lot of other people. It's very private and it's really exclusive, and you feel like you have all this to use at your convenience.
Little water fountain.
There was little turtles in there as well.
Turtles. You can hear the birds chirping and everything. Well, not right now, but beautiful Gothic chandelier. Nice. This is basically the entrance to the place. It was just gorgeous. It was beautiful. Cars going by. You can see that there was a gate, so to come in, you needed to either have a key or have a purpose to being there. So it's very, very safe.
And now we're back into the rooms.
This was Andy's room.
This is the second bedroom in the Airbnb.
And he had his own little bathroom. An ensuite.
Mm-hmm.
Nice and cozy.
And there is hot water.
Yes,
it just takes a while.
But when I used to go to DR, this is our bedroom. With a nice little walk-in closet. Excuse my book bag. I made myself at home already. And our little bathroom, shower, and toilet combination.
And this one actually had an actual half bath that was in the living room as well.
Hey, that was a video of our wonderful condo in Santo Domingo, the colonial zone, La Zona Colonial.
Yes, it was an Airbnb that Will set up through the app, I guess you would say. And we had a really nice host named Etienne who was very gracious and letting us use his place, I guess.
Yeah.
He probably uses it as a
he rents
source of income.
Yeah, he rents out that one and a second one that's a smaller 1-bedroom. We had a 2-bedroom, as you saw. And it was so relaxing and so clean, and the place was just beautiful. It was very
Yeah.
relaxing and heavily guarded. You know, people were always scared of going to Santo Domingo for
Yeah.
some reason, but it was so,
Yeah, you don't feel unsafe or anything like
you
that.
didn't feel unsafe ever.
And we have so much space and room because we were in a 2-bedroom, and we also was with our friend Andy. So, you know, 3 people in a hotel room could be kind of tight,
Can be cramped.
but we had so much room to roam and move about and
Yeah, I would
enjoy.
go out to the pool with my book and my little boombox. Where am I? 1980s. My little, you know, portable speaker, and play my music and just read and relax. And I actually can't wait to do it again because it was very relaxing and fun. We did it for
Yeah.
like 5 days.
Yeah.
And there was a little cafe underneath where you can
Oh,
get,
yeah, you got the little
cafe
coffees
con
and
leche
stuff.
and croissants and little press sandwiches.
And then upstairs there was a little place where they had the best tacos, Will
So
says.
good, the best tacos.
We
And
ate it twice.
we had tacos, you know, nachos and stuff like that. They had
Yeah.
the best pulled pork, and
But they don't open on time, so don't try to get there right
yeah,
when they
just hope and pray and that you're not starving, because sometimes it will be open, sometimes it wouldn't. So
Yeah.
say a little
So-
prayer.
Yeah, but we're just trying to get out these videos because it's been almost 3 months, so we're trying to do that today, and so you guys can watch and see how much fun we had.
Stay tuned, because we're gonna add some more videos of us in
Punta Cana,
Punta
the
Cana.
all-inclusive resort
Yes.
at Paradisus.
Paradisus, thanks to a friend that gave me a nice
VIP
little
treatment.
VIP access hookup, and we were treated like true celebrities, like a pair of Kardashians. So stay tuned and watch that. And this
Yeah,
is being
thanks.
filmed on
Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be 4K video on my
4K video.
iPhone X or iPhone 10, and we have a little ring light we're using too. So we're
hopefully
trying
we don't look
to bust
too 4K. You know what I mean? All right.
Oh well,
So
we're
we'll
trying.
talk to you in a minute.
Bye.